So, if you want to transfer your WhatsApp stickers and chats to a new phone, this tutorial will show you the easiest method step by step. First, open your WhatsApp application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then go to Settings. Inside Settings, open the Chats section. Here, you'll find options like Chat Backup and Transfer Chats. If you want to directly move your WhatsApp stickers, chat history, and media to another phone, simply tap on Transfer Chats. Now, follow the on-screen instructions and connect your new phone. This will securely transfer your WhatsApp chats, stickers, and messages without deleting your data. If the transfer option is not available on your device, you can use the Chat Backup feature instead. Just open Chat Backup, then tap on Backup to save your chats, stickers, and media to your Google account or iCloud account. After that, install WhatsApp on your new phone and log in using the same account you used for the backup. Once WhatsApp detects the backup file, simply tap on Restore, and all your chats and WhatsApp stickers will appear on the new device. So yeah, that's the easiest way to transfer WhatsApp stickers and chats to a new phone in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tutorials.